Good morning students. Today we discuss about integers, which is a chapter in very first chapter in 7th class. All of you know about counting numbers. You know counting numbers? Where we start counting. The number where we start counting are called counting numbers. Where we start counting? Where we start counting? From 1. So, we start counting everything from 1. So, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are counting numbers. Counting numbers. These are called counting numbers. So, we call these counting numbers as natural numbers. So, what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers which start from 1. So, natural number set is denoted by n and consists of 1, 2, 3 and so on. This is natural number set. In numbers, if we add 1 to any number, we get a successor. What is it? It is a successor. So, what is the successor of 3? 3 plus 1, 4. And if we deduct 1 from any number, we get predecessor. What is the predecessor of 3? 3 minus 1, that is 2. So, you know about successor and predecessor. Okay. In natural number set, we have successors for each and every number. If successor of 1 is 2, successor of 2 is 3 and successor of 3 is 4 and so on. The predecessor of 3 is 2, the predecessor of 2 is 1 and the predecessor of 1 is 0. What we did not find that in natural numbers. So, to make this natural number set complete, we include 0. So, by including 0 to natural number set, what we get is whole number set. So, by that, the number set, the counting number set is completed. So, those numbers, that number set is called whole numbers. Whole number set is denoted by W and it consists of 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are whole numbers. However, though we have natural numbers and whole number set, we need another set of numbers called integers. We need another set of numbers called integers. Why we need this set of numbers? Why? Because there are real-time situations. Where we require the number set beyond these two, which are not represented using these two. So, beyond these number set, we need another number set. Why? What are those real life situations? Because if we have any profit and loss, there are two situations. Profit of 100 rupees and loss of 100 rupees. Can we represent both the things with 100? No, we cannot. So, to differentiate those two, and one more thing is elevation of the flight from the sea level and the level of the submarine. It is under the sea, below the sea level. So, to represent these type of situations, we need another set of numbers called integers. And one more example is depositing of money in the bank and withdrawal of money from the bank. Means we cannot represent depositing the money and withdrawing the money with the same number. So, to represent those real life situations, we need another set of numbers called integers, which consists of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. Integers consist of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. These are included integers. How we represent integers? Using the number Z. What is Z? Z is Zahlen in German language which means numbers. So we use the symbol Z to represent integers which consist of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. What are these? These are this is integer set. So what integer set consists? Integer set consists of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. Positive numbers and 0, if these two together called as non-negative numbers. Non-negative numbers. And 0 and negative numbers. 0 and negative numbers, these are called non-positive numbers. Non-positive numbers. So, integers consist of non-positive numbers and positive numbers. Either way, we can say it as positive numbers, non-positive numbers, and negative numbers and non-negative numbers. Here you remember one thing, 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So, this is the situation where we require the number set which is beyond natural numbers and whole numbers. That is integers. Where we require integers? Depositing, deposit, withdrawal, withdraw, loss, profit, elevation, depth below the sea level, depth. These are the situations where we require this number set. I think all of you got this. Thank you.